people with no artistic skills are making stickers using AI. And what's more is that they are making hundreds of thousands of dollars doing that. Here's what we're going to do. First, I'm going to show you businesses that are making $10,000 a week selling stickers. Then I'm going to show you how you can make those stickers with Midjourney AI. And then we will show you how you can print and sell those stickers yourself. Let's go. The first company I want to show you is the Coffee Monsters company. They are selling the easiest you can imagine stickers around the same theme, cats, on a piece of paper. And they've sold over 360,000 items, 200,000 of which in the last 2 years. And some of their best-selling sticker packs cost $30. $30. If you would buy 3, that's $90. That's like buying a printer and getting a sticker instead. I've heard stories of people buying multiple packs in this shop and leaving with a mortgage on their house. This is absolutely amazing, and this could be you. Let me show you something. If we would calculate how much profit they are making, how much revenue they are making, and we take 360,000 items, and then we sell that at an average of, let's say, $6 an item, then that is $2.2 million in revenue selling stickers. That's insane. I mean, stickers, $2.2 million. But it's not as insane as the second shop that I want to show you. Guess how many items the next shop sold? Take a number in your head, okay? The number is 1.9 million items for stickers. I mean, it's insane. If we calculate how much revenue this shop made and we take the cheapest option, we take the cheapest product, and we assume that they only sell that item, then we end up with a number $8.7 million in revenue selling stickers. I mean, this is absolutely insane. Now I know what you're thinking, especially if you don't have any experience making art. Dries, sure, these numbers are insane. Selling stickers, that's amazing. But how would I ever be able to make stickers this gorgeous if I don't have experience making them? Well, welcome to the world of AI. It's very easy. Let me show you. So making stickers is going to be extremely easy. 2 things that you need. You need a Discord account, and then you also need access to the Midjourney server on Discord. I will provide links in the description for both of these things. Now, once you have that, you will go to one of the newbie chat rooms and you are going to type in /imagine space, and then a prompt will automatically pop up, and then you can just write whatever you want. And so I'm going to create a prompt right now. So I just typed in sticker of red rose 2D, high saturation, high contrast, and pressed enter. Now we will wait and it will generate this sticker for us automatically. So it created some variations for us. I think I like the first one or the fourth one most. And so when we decided which one we like most, we click on that one to upscale it, to increase the quality of that particular one. So I'm going to go for the fourth one in this list. We click U4. So the final result, as you can see, is absolutely gorgeous and didn't require any artistic skill whatsoever. Now there's one more trick that I want to show you that can improve this even more. Let's click on this web button over here. It will take us to a web page where we can see similar designs of other people, and we can also see their prompts. And so we can learn from those prompts. If there's, for example, a design that we like more from somebody else, then we can see what words they used and then use those words, those same words, in our own prompt engineering. So let's take a look. This one over here, for example, is pretty amazing as well. I mean, this is cool. Rose sticker, white background. Okay, that's a pretty simple prompt. This one over here is also absolutely gorgeous. Tattoo illustration, drawing of red rose, paper sticker, art cutout, illuminated. So perhaps we could try with the word illuminated. I think illuminated might work. And so you can learn from these and get inspired by the prompts of other people. Very, very, very powerful. This one is a little bit strange. Gothic rose, yes. Oh, this one is gorgeous. Rose sticker. So this is just just rose sticker. You don't even have to engineer prompt, just rose sticker and it will give you something insane. Alternatively, if you want something that is a little bit more familiar than the add reaction method, you can just click on the file and then something opens up. You right click and you click save image as, and then whatever software you use pops up, and then you just name the file and press enter. Now some of you might be thinking, okay, if it's that easy, just writing a prompt, writing one sentence in the search bar, perhaps I could make those stickers indeed. But if I want to print them, doesn't it cost thousands of dollars for those printers? And how am I going to come up with thousands of dollars? Well, there is an alternative called print on demand that will not cost you anything. Let me show you. When it comes to selling stickers, there are basically three options. You can either print them yourself, use a printing company that can print them in bulk for you, or use print on demand. Let's start with the first option, printing them yourself. Now this option will require, and this may come as a surprise, a printing device. Now the price ranges of these printing devices range from a couple of $100s to thousands of dollars. Now this will not only be a big financial investment for you, but also a big time investment, because now you will have to prepare those stickers, then print those stickers, then cut them to size, then package them individually, and then ship them. This is a huge amount of workload that I would not recommend a beginner to start with. The second option is to buy stickers in bulk at discounted prices. Now be careful, with this option you might end up with more stickers than friends to give them to. And so this option is very nice, but only if you already have best-selling stickers that you know will sell, so that you don't have leftover stock when nothing is selling. The third option is working with print-on-demand companies. These are companies that will do the printing, packaging, and shipping on demand for you. Meaning that if you sell one sticker, just one sticker, they will print just one sticker and then package one sticker and then ship one sticker. And so this is ideal for beginners. This means that you don't have any large inventories to work with, which makes them ideal for beginners. The only thing you have to do is design stickers and drive traffic to your designs. Some of the most popular print-on-demand companies that I have experience with myself are Printify, Printful, Contrado, and some others that I will list on the screen. Now there's one more thing that we have to cover, kind of the most important part of this whole thing. How to actually go and sell those stickers. Let's talk about it. When it comes to selling your stickers, there are basically two options. You can either build your own website or use an online marketplace. Now, when it comes to building your own website, this is definitely the hardest option of the two. Not only are you going to build your website, you also have to figure out how to drive traffic to that website that nobody cares about initially. And so you have basically three options in that category. You can either become very good at marketing, or you can become very good at social media and build your social brand, or some people will say that you can do SEO. Now, I personally don't think that SEO is possible anymore in most niches in today's landscape. And so you're left with these two options. Now, either one of these two options is gonna require years of practice to become good at it. And so by the time that you're good at it, this whole AI opportunity that exists today is going to be over. That is why I think the second option, using online marketplaces, is going to be better for beginners. And there are a couple that you are already familiar with: Etsy, Amazon, eBay, and things like that. And you will have to do some research yourself to figure out which of those platforms is best for your particular niche. But a safe one to start is probably Etsy, because they have a little bit more brand around stickers on their platform. Alternatively, you can go for print-on-demand companies that also have a marketplace connected to them. So you have that two-in-one type of thing. One of the best ones is Redbubble. And again, depending on your niche, this might be your best option. Now, one more important thing that I want to point out when you are using online marketplaces, make sure that your pictures stand out from the crowd. When people are buying something visual like stickers, 80% of their buying decision will depend on what they are seeing. William Shakespeare said, "The eyes are the windows to our souls." And he was absolutely right. And so what does that mean? It means that the mock-up pictures that you are going to create are as important, if not more important, than designing the stickers themselves. In order to create these, you can either buy mock-up templates and use Photoshop, or you can, again, you guessed it, use AI. Photoroom.ai is one I recently used to make some mock-up images for art and for small-scale things like stickers. It's absolutely ideal and extremely easy to use. Now, If you're ready to dive in a little bit deeper into this opportunity and figure out which print-on-demand companies are the best ones to use, I recommend my video Printify vs Printful, best print-on-demand supplier. Link in the description and in the end screen. That said, get the hell out of here.